Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a small project share to share with you all. It's actually also a VR for Angelica, who is CRAFTERSTREATS2017 here on YouTube, and she is hosting a giveaway, and it is for her 500 subby giveaway. And I think she's already way past the 500, but I am gonna enter and support our girl because she's always there supporting us at our lives and on our videos. So this is what I created for her. She wanted just a memory dex card, and if you go to her channel, you'll get all the details there. You know, you can get an extra entry for a VR on YouTube and another for Instagram. And I think you can make some more embellishments to get extra entries also, but I think for right now I'm going to go ahead with this one. And so what I used here, this is not a die cut, this is a fussy cut, and then I added the memory dex bottom part here. I also took some Dollar Tree foam flowers from the summer table scatter, and I added to the bottom. I used some of this elastic ruffle from Walmart, add some trim here, and this one is a gift from Miss June Lanham. I'll just say June. I also added some Wink Stella on the flowers here, and also on Minnie's face, on her eyes, top of her nose, her cheeks, and her lashes. There's another one from Miss June. I added this little sequin butterfly here on her ear. And then these are balloons that I created with the Cricut with everybody. You know, you just go in and, if you know how to use the program, you can maneuver the shapes and create a Mickey head. So I did that. And then I had this Celebrate die that I got from Urban Gems, and the Celebrate was cut twice, so I cut it on holographic paper that is from Tonic Studio, and I purchased that also from Urban Gems. And then the foam is the Dollar Tree foam right here, so that I could get some extra dimension on the word so it would stand out. So I did that, and that thing cuts so easy on the foam from Dollar Tree. So that's what I made. And then on the back, it's also the same die set from urbangems.com. I think it is. Did I put it away? I already put it away. You guys, I've said it over and over, so you probably would see it later. Anyway, to hide my information, I just punched a 3-inch circle. It just so happened to fit the back of her head, and I made it into a flap. And then on here, I left it blank, but I put stickles. I put stickles on, not stickles. What is that called? I just said it. Wink Stella on the bow. Gosh, my info. So I just put some Wink Stella on Minnie's bows, on this one and this one. And then my info is all, oh, I covered it. Okay, that's good. Is all on the flap. So she has to open it up this way to see it. And I didn't put anything to keep it closed, because once she puts this in the memory dex, it'll stay down. It'll stay in her memory dex box. So she required that it be 4 inches wide and no taller than 5 inches, but I think I skipped on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I sure did. 6, 7. She's gonna have to boot my she's gonna have to boot my memory dex card out the box, but it's okay. I also made her a little dangle, and I just hooked it here. I didn't even punch a hole. I just put it right there just so that it won't be seen, but it's there, and you can take it off and use this dangle. And all I did was I made a bow on one of our lives with the Minnie Mouse bow ribbon. And then I just hauled this from AliExpress, this little Minnie Mouse head. Whoops, if I can hold it. And there she is. Slippery. Oh my gosh, let me do this right, because I'm not working. There you go. It's got the dome, the clear, it's clear see-through on the top, and the color is on the back. And then it's got glitter inside the dome and her colored bow. And then this is Shrink-a-Dink, and I colored this with color pencils. And the shine that you see on her is just clear nail polish. So that's how I covered up my coloring. And that's it. I will package this baby up and send it off to Angelica. And I hope, I keep saying Angelica, it's Angelica, guys, it's Angelica. So that is what I made for my girl, and I hope she likes it. Okay guys, I'm sorry, I had to make a real quick edit. So I added a little baggie. I packaged it, backed it up on some of the Minnie Mouse paper that I already used, and I just sealed it with some double stick tape. But what I did, I outlined Minnie Mouse and just cut around the bottom edge of her profile, and that was it. I didn't want to do extras to it. I also added this little banner that I made early on in September, the beginning. So I added the little crepe paper ruffles with a layer of the paper from the paper pad. And then I added my triple color rosette, and then I put Mickey's head on top. I also added this one with the yellow rosette, and this was just a picture from the Google Images, and I used Mickey's pants, and then I made the t-shirt with my Cricut and used some of that Nouveau drops on the collar and on the sleeve, and I thought that would be cute, just, you know, whatever. So I'm gonna give her those also. And then I also packaged up the memory decks. I just used some clear bag and just secured it nicely. So now that is it, guys, and thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.